second day of PA deer season. We got a buck tag and a doe tag left. Looking to fill one of them. Hopefully we can get it done. Stay tuned. Alright, so because deer is in range, it's just feeding it food plot right now. Not enough light out yet. So we're gonna wait it out. Hopefully it looks like it's feeding towards us, so we're just gonna wait. It's gonna get a little bit closer, a little bit more light. We're gonna dust it. Alright guys, we have that doe feed in front of us that Bartley was talking about. It's still not even shooting light yet. We have another deer off to our right, 100, 150 yards. It looks like it's a pretty big bodied deer. So we just gotta wait for some shooting light. Alright guys, it's been a crazy morning. We've had deer running everywhere. But we got a buck feeding out through the cornfield coming down through. We can't see him right now, but he's going to be popping out here pretty shortly. Bartley's all ready to go, so we'll see how it goes. Get ready. They look good? I think so. I didn't see him cross down in the bottom. No, he disappeared right there. Alright guys, that buck came out of these pines. And it walked real slow down through. It stood behind this bush for a real long time, just moseying around. And then Bartley shot him out in that golden rod at the tip of my finger. Looked like a good shot. So, we're gonna wait it out a little bit. We didn't see him cross over into the golden rod, so we think he fell. We're gonna wait it out a little bit and see what happens. Alright, dirtbags, it's about, I don't know, around 8 this morning. We got this guy down. We were hunting yesterday, and right at daylight we saw this guy come out and didn't really have a shot at him. Figured if he survived the day, he'd come back out here today. And that's what happened. He came out about, I don't know, 200 yards roughly. Didn't really have a shot at him at first. Just kind of, we were waiting it out, waiting until he gave us a shot. He finally stepped out to where we had a shot, and we had a good angle of the camera. And didn't really take long. Shot the second he came out, and he didn't go very far. He went about what, 50?
Yeah, about 50 yards.
Went about 50 yards and
200-yard shot.
found him here dead. So.
Well, that makes 9 straight PA bucks for you.
Yep, I'm on a 9-year streak right now. I need a 6 point too. I've shot 1 through 8, and I needed my 6 to get that goal checked off the box, and luckily he came out today and we were able to make that happen. So yeah.
Alrighty, it was a fun hunt.
Yes sir.
Wow.
We got it right that time.
First try.
dirtbags. We're back here in the evening. Busy Bee Farms in the shanty, up on top of the hill. Here I got a 6.5 Jap. It's a Japanese rifle from World War II. Iron sights, you know. So our shots tonight are probably going to be 100 and under. But, you know, we'd like to get as close as we can, so stay tuned and we'll see what happens. She did. She did. She did. Alright, dirtbags. We're in stand for about 25 minutes. Just getting settled in and everything, and I look over out the window of the shanty here and saw a tail flickering, and we're like, oh, there's a deer. So we started, you know, getting ready, set up and everything, and it was in between us and the Mall's bush, like right out the window, probably at the most 50 yards, at the most. And her head was facing that way, so we were thinking, we have a little shooting lane right here. We thought she was gonna step out on there and give us a nice clean shot and everything. So me and Trenton, we switched and got set up, and she decided to do a 180, and she turned around and she started coming this way, right behind that automobile bush, and she took a couple steps, gave me a nice shot, squeezed the trigger and crushed her and watched her fall down. So
That's how we get her done.
second deer of the day, got a buck this morning, and got the old doe with the 6.5 Jap. Couldn't be happier right now.
Alright guys, just went and scared Bartley's deer and climbed back up in the shanty. We're getting a little bit of a thunderstorm right now, so hoping it doesn't light him. We're going to sit here for the rest of the evening and see if we can get me a buck, 3 kills in one day out of the stand. So, stay tuned. I just wanted to make a little side note. I guess all I want to say is that I'll never be able to put words to how much I truly appreciate this privilege we have to wander around God's creation and harvest animals. Hunting is by far the most therapeutic thing that I've ever been a part of in my life. This morning I got some very, very unfortunate news. It's been bugging me all morning, but being in the woods and just relaxing and really taking time to think about it has helped me a lot. And this isn't the only time that I've ever felt that. But you know, even in the pouring down rain, I'm sitting there in miserable hunting conditions, not seeing deer, and hunting still provides an outlet for me to just clear up some mental headspace and get my heart right. But a lot of guys say, you know, you walk into the woods with a lot more than you walk out with, meaning whatever weight's on your shoulders, whatever burdens you have in your life, whatever it may be, when you walk out of the woods, you don't have to worry about that anymore. And I just really appreciate that. It's so overlooked. I just really appreciate that aspect of hunting and what it does for me. So if you guys haven't ever done that, take some quiet time and go out in the woods and, you know, just sit there in silence, and I can promise you will walk out with a clear headspace, and it just allows you to think and clear up your mind. So yeah, I just want to put that little side note in here.